Hey everyone, today I'm going to be telling you how to find working coupons on Groceries, so make sure you watch till the very end. So the first type is Catalina coupons, which you can get from like print in store from a machine after you've made your purchase, and this can be store specific or issued by the manufacturer but are valid only on a specific product. So when you buy something, you need to ask the cashier basically or the store people that, hey, do I get a coupon on this? Next up is a manufacturer coupon, which you will get for that particular product. Like suppose you want to buy, let's say, some cereal, so you're going to head over to that cereal website and you're going to search for coupon codes if they have any. And then we have grocery store coupons. So these coupons offer a discount on your entire bill and you can find them from the newspaper, flyers. And then we have online coupons, so just head over to Google and whatever grocery coupon that you're searching for, you could just search it up and click on that. And there are also lots of apps that provide it, like Snip Snap or Checkout 51. And then the last one is online coupon codes, so you could always like use something called Honey that provide the best coupon codes available at the moment right now. So these are the ways in which you can get them. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.